Hello everyone and welcome back to RELAXATION. Today I come with this viral math questions, actually two questions, and try to solve by your own and comment your answer to feature in our sorted list. Make sure comment in a better way. Whatever your answer, right or wrong, I will make sure you will get feature here. So first, what we have, 4 plus 4 into 5 divided by 4. Okay. So for numerator what we have, 4 plus 4 into 5. So we will write PEMDAS. If you think like 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 into 5, that is equal to 40, then you are wrong. Better way is following the order of proportion, and we have multiplication have the higher priority. So first we have to operate this part. Okay, so we will write 4 plus 4 times 5, that is equal to 20, and which equals to 20. So our numerator will become 24 divided by 4, and when you write like this, 4 times 1, 6. So here 6 is the right answer. Coming to the next question. 9 divided by 3 plus 3. So we will write again PEMDAS. Okay. So if you think like solving 9 divided by 3 plus 3, that is 6, and 3 divided by 9, that is 3 divided by 6, and answer is 1 by 2, then you are wrong. Okay, where we will solve the better way, we will write again plus 3. According to PEMDAS, division have the higher priority. Okay, and if both have division, in that case we have to solve left to right. So first we will do this part, 9 divided by 3. So when we divide 9 with 3, we will get 3. So our question again, we will write 3 divided by 3 plus 3. Again 3 divided by 3, which will give 1 as a result. So our question will become 1 plus 3, which equals to 4. So here 4 is the right answer. Comment your answer and watch these videos. These are best brainstorming, and thanks for watching.